The physics unsolved problem is why plants are green. Plants receive energy from the sun in the form of white light, which consists of 7 colors from red to violet. Now, the chlorophyll decide which one to consume and which one to reflect, as if a fat man has access to McDonald's. When a fat man has access to McDonald's, that means fat man has access to hamburger, Big Mac, cheeseburger, and fat man. If fat man decide to eat everything, that fat man will die. Fat man will have no tomorrow. If fat man, on the other hand, decide not to eat anything, then again fat man will die starving. So what would be the best thing for fat man to do? The fat man will only eat as much as he need. So because his goal is to survive as long as possible. Same thing for plants, survive as long as possible. Who is take care of this business? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is very smart. Chlorophyll understand that 10 raised to 45 photon every 24 hours coming from the sun. Einstein call it photon. Einstein also call it quanta, 10 raised to 45 quanta. You can wake up in the morning, like very early in the morning before the sunrise. You can go outside and you can start counting 1 quanta, 2 quanta, 3 quanta, 4 quanta. At the end of the day, before the sunset, you're going to end up counting 10 raised to 45 quanta or 10 raised to 45 photons, or you can call it bag of energy coming in the form of white light, consists of 7 colors, of course, starting from red and then orange and then yellow and then green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now the chlorophyll understand that, just like fat man understand that eating all burger will killing him. Chlorophyll understand that just consuming all the colors will not serve the need for the plants, because plants want to live long. So chlorophyll only consumes the color that will kind of allow the plants to survive as long as possible. Now, what would that be? That would be the color that doesn't have too much frequency or too less frequency, too big wavelength or too less wavelength. What color is that? That would be red and the blue, and the green falls in the middle. So what does it do? Although the sun release most of the light in the form of green, the chlorophyll let the green go. So the sunlight in the form of green comes, hit the plants, but plants chlorophyll said no, no, let it go. It reflects only 5% of the green light consumed by the plants, and 95% reflects. So we human perceive as green. So how do it survive? All right, how can it create sugar? It creates sugar by using other type of light, especially red light and blue light. 90% of the red light and blue light coming from the sun consumed by plants. That's the, well,